Alright, I have a Hunter Augusta III for you. I got this off the curb, and it came complete, minus just one screw. And so, yeah, I will go ahead and demonstrate for you. There's a light. You can see down there is the Hunter logo. Alright. Now I'm going to start it on low. It's dated February 2006. Oh, by the way, sorry for the cupboard slamming. This test rig is in the living room, and the kitchen is right here, and the dining area. Put it to medium. Yeah, you can feel a breeze. Oh, my sister threw a piece of plastic wrap into the blade. Anyways, here's high. Yeah, the tree can feel some airflow. Yeah, there's the Emperor grandfather clock. Yeah, this is the living room. This is the kitchen. Alright, well, I can feel a good amount of air coming from here. Alright. And there you have it. That's my Hunter Augusta III. Thanks for watching.